We've all been there. You get hyped for a daily painting challenge, only to have life, work, studies, or chores get in the way. You start strong, but finishing feels impossible. If you want to develop a consistent, rewarding art practice, but struggle with finding time, then you found the right class. Hi, I'm Bianca, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines, and I have been painting every day since 2018. And honestly, no, I am not always inspired nor motivated. But over the years, I've built a powerful habit and commitment to my craft. It started with a simple question. Can I paint daily for just 1 week? Then weeks turned to months, and months turned to years. They say that magic happens when you show up daily and enjoy the process, and I can attest to that. I went from simple doodles to painting full compositions, working on bigger paper, and living my dream part-time job, teaching arts. This consistency changed everything. This class is designed for every artist who wants to develop a regular art routine but feels overwhelmed with responsibilities and priorities. I will share the exact same strategies I use to paint or draw even if I was super busy, tired, sick, traveling, feeling unmotivated, or even on my wedding day. In this class, you will learn actionable daily tips that can be applied immediately to keep your momentum, simple prompts and exercises to ensure you always know what to paint next, and how to redefine daily practice. It doesn't mean finishing a masterpiece every day, okay? My own paintings sometimes take weeks or months to complete. So don't worry about finishing 14 paintings for this class. Focus on showing up. While I work primarily with watercolors, I encourage you to use your own preferred style and medium. No prior drawing or painting experience is necessary. Once you master this simple, sustainable daily art habit, you can apply the same core principles to reading, journaling, learning a new language, or any other practice. So if you're ready to make art an unshakable part of your life, then I'll see you in the next video, and let's get started.